case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A landmark case in 1970, Baldwin v. New York, brought the Supreme Court of the United States to reconsider the rights associated with the Sixth Amendment. Particularly, the court examined whether an accused offender facing the possibility of over 6 months of imprisonment for a Class A misdemeanor held the right to a trial by jury. The defendant had been convicted and given the maximum sentence in New York for a Class A misdemeanor. Despite the severity of the sentence, the defendant was denied a jury trial under the conditions of Section 40 of the New York City Criminal Court Act. That decision was soon brought into question and appealed to the Supreme Court. During the hearing, the court was challenged with the task of distinguishing between petty and serious offenses for the protection of Sixth Amendment rights. The Supreme Court reversed the initial decision, stating that any offense subjected to a punishment of over 6 months in prison was to be categorized as a serious crime, thus obligating a jury trial. The state of New York presented the notion that the definition of petty and serious should coincide with the existing distinction between misdemeanors and felonies. However, the court opposed this view, insisting that even a misdemeanor with a possible sentence of 1 year should be granted the right to a jury trial. Through this case, the Supreme Court of the United States affirmed the conviction's reversal, ruling that offenses authorizing imprisonment longer than half a year were not to be treated lightly. They stated the jury's role was crucial in curbing government oppression. The decision of this case had a broad impact, influencing legal proceedings throughout the nation, which lingered onto today's judiciary, continually safeguarding an individual's liberty.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of climb.